welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in today. So today, yeah, you can see I'm heading out. So you guys come along with me. We're going somewhere, but I won't tell you now until you get there. Yeah, so we're taking a drive down. So today is not going to be like my usual videos where I sit and talk. So today I'm going to take you guys shopping with me at a wear store where you get different things for your house and all. So today the weather is really nice. Like you can see, I wasn't wearing any hoodie or any winter jackets. The weather was I think 13 degrees today and really nice. It was really okay to just throw in just a round neck and go out. And yeah, so enjoy the view of drive through Dublin. And yeah, Dublin is a very nice place, very serene and very lovely place. Like the Irish people, they don't rush things. Like they're very calm. IKEA. So let's head inside. So here, our first stop is going to be the dryer section. So here we have where you can dry out your clothes and just let the sun hit your clothes a few times. You don't have to always use the dryer from the washing machine. Like I basically don't like using the dryer from the washing machine. I prefer it sun dried. And here we have this wall shelf, suspended wall shelf or something. I'm not really sure. So let's go upstairs. So here we have something perfect for the weather, which is, like I said, the weather is so good. Like we're in spring, heading towards summer, and you would see a lot of nice places. And here is a very lovely setting. Like I said, IKEA is just a showroom. It's a showroom where you can see different things that you like, and you go down to the so this caught my eye, this very beautiful sewing machine here. I really love that sewing machine. So this is just basically the showroom of IKEA, where you get things that you would want to buy. Probably you've gotten your apartment, or probably you've gotten a house and you want to furnish up your house. You can just come over to IKEA and get beautiful ideas, lovely ideas of how to set up your home here in IKEA. Or probably you just want to change your living space to something else, something nice. You can always come and steal some few ideas from here. So they have a beautiful showroom for you to see the way you can arrange different things and set up your space, no matter how big or small your space is. They've got something for you. Either you've got a big space or you've got a small space. But basically, like the Europeans are minimalist, so they basically have very small spaces compared to back in Nigeria, where we have big spaces for, like, you can have a very gigantic living room and all. But here in Ireland is just very compact spaces, and the way they arrange their spaces here, it's top notch, and it's very homely, very welcoming, very comfortable. You would really love the way they set up their things here. Yeah, so I was just looking at the prices of some of the items for the chairs, and the prices were not so bad. They are okay. And yeah, that's my son getting comfortable in one of the small chairs exported for his size. So let me just leave you guys to enjoy shopping with me, and I hope that you guys will be able to get a few things from here, like be able to get few ideas from IKEA's showroom. And when you are done getting a few ideas from the showroom, just head down to the warehouse and pick up the stuff that you want to buy and go to the counter and pay for it and go set up your home and start enjoying your space. Thank you. So let me leave you guys to enjoy the view with me. Yeah, that's all be also getting comfortable in the IKEA showroom. Thank you guys for shopping with me at IKEA today. Thank you for your love. Thank you for always coming back to my channel. I love you. To all my returning subscribers, new subscribers, you're welcome. Please remember to click the like button, share my videos, drop your comments in the comment section if you want me to make any video. If there's any video you want me to make, drop them down in the comment section and I'll be honored to make the videos for you. And like I said, please click the subscribe button, like my videos, share my videos. My returning subscribers, I love you. You're the best. You're new to my channel, welcome. Here all we've got for each other is love. So I'll see you guys next week.